Welcome back to my channel. It is so windy and so loud because it's rush hour and the highway's there. But today it's gonna be fun because I am gonna be building a garden bed. And by I mean my stepdad. Possibly my mom. I'm just gonna be filming it all. But Ollie was so nice to send us a raised galvanized garden bed. Here she is. We decided to go with the ivory one, and this is the 12-in-1 modular raised garden bed system, so you can do this in 12 different ways. It's nice because it comes with instructions to configure it all those different ways. It's 17 inches tall, which is also nice on like my mom's back because she's going to be the one that's going to be in this garden most of the time. They're planting a couple tomato bushes, so it's nice so she doesn't have to bend all the way over like as if we were to plant in the ground, you know. So I carried it out here, fairly lightweight, and we're going to build it in this area right here today, and then we're going to move it over to that corner once it's done. Yeah, let's open it. Guess mom's gonna attempt. We're gonna get everything out first. Don't cut yourself. Huh. Okay. It's kind of crazy that this allows you to do 12 different configurations. So these are the configurations you can do. I think what we're gonna do is the 40 by 80, right?
Yes.
Depending on if it'll fit there or not. We're gonna put it like right there. But it's gotta fit like in that little section because that's a door. Okay, so I think we're gonna do 44 by 60, which is this one. So it's a rectangle, but not as rectangle as this one. You guys know shapes. I don't know why I'm saying that. But I understand why they do it, to protect it from getting scratched. It looks really nice. We are going to put all of these washers, nuts, and bolts together, and then we'll come back when it's done. All right, so we've been out here for about 15 minutes, and we've gotten that far. It is starting to get tight with the corners. My fingers are mad at me, so I might have to get either my stepdad out here or Jay to like really tighten it. But once they all come together, I'm thinking it should be easier, but the sides are definitely easiest to do. So this is why they tell you to wear the gloves, because I definitely, you can't see it because it's so bright, but I cut my finger. So wear those gloves. Why are you back on the ground? I thought the boys were coming out here. Oh, by hand? Oh, I think it'd be harder to do it with a gun. Yeah, I mean, like I said, it is pretty simple. It's just tedious, yeah. And once you get to the corners, it just gets a little bit. I'll give you my ultimate opinion when we're done. Okay, so my stepdad brought the drill gun out. I would suggest using a drill gun. That's like my honest opinion. The wrench works, like if you're in a pinch, you're just gonna be here way longer. Like, I'm not saying it doesn't work, it's just quicker to use a drill gun. So, Ted to the rescue. And mom is still scrambling. Okay, let me get down here and help. Okay, so we have the last piece to connect, and we're noticing that it is a very tight fit. So I take back what I said earlier. It's probably a 2-person job. But yeah, it's looking really good. I'm excited. Teamwork. There we go. So yeah, it just took an extra set of hands strong hands to get, yeah, to the end, towards the end. So at the end, if you stand it up, it actually makes it easier to bend the top piece. So I would almost suggest doing that. I'm assuming that no one's putting this together as they're watching the video, so hopefully some tips and tricks will help you get this done a little bit easier. It looks like we can make that into like a kiddie pool. So now he's just gonna go in and just tighten everything up with the gun.
Okay, we do have this called,
which makes sense.
Be clipped up all around on the top.
Oh, okay, yeah. So that's so you don't have any sharp edges because it is a little jaggedy up top there. So that's nice. Yeah, we'll do that. Yeah, they're both the same, so it doesn't matter what's the top or the bottom. Okay, it's all ready to go. So exciting. We got this rubber edge all the way around it. Hi. And it's gonna sit right here in this corner, like so. And we're gonna fill it with some soil. And it's nice because you don't need a bottom. The soil could just go right on top of the grass. And it's fairly simple. Because it's a raised garden bed, you don't have to dig anything. You can if you wanted to. You could always just till this up, but we don't have to, so we're not going to. Why waste time, you know? We have some of our garden cages here, and we're gonna run to the store tomorrow to pick up some tomato plants. So I think we're only gonna put 2 in here because tomato plants are pretty invasive. So I think we're gonna just do like a big one and then maybe a cherry tomato plant. I don't know, we'll see what they have. But yeah, let's fill this up. Okay, we got some soil in there. Clearly not enough. Probably gonna need about 15 to 20 more bags, but like I said, we're gonna do that tomorrow. So break time. Okay guys, so we have 800 pounds of soil in here. We got 20 bags of soil. Each bag was 40 pounds. So if I did my math right, that's what's in here. And now we're gonna plant some tomatoes, Mom. Some tomatoes. All right, let's plant up some tomatoes. We have, let's see. We have a cherry tomato here. This one is the Sky Cherry Red. Mia likes cherry tomatoes. And this one is a Parks Whopper Improved Hybrid tomato. It's a hybrid. We love our hybrids in the houseplant world. No, because that's going to get taller. That should be in the back, and there's more sun over there. I think the tomato will get bigger than the basil. That'll be cute. Mom has been planting for the past 4 decades. Right, Mom? Oh, she's a labeler, just like me. That's where I get it from.
Oh, nice and wet, too.
Good.
That's what you like.
It amazes me how different gardening is from houseplants. It's literally like the opposite. It's crazy. I'm excited to see these get big.
Squirrels don't eat them.
Squirrels, jerk squirrels.
Love it. Oh my God, I wish everything was this easy. Make a basil and mozzarella pizza. She's cute. Okay, so we have some plant and turf booster here. I will put a link to this below. I was sent it from Nature's Valley, I think. And we're just gonna give these veggies a little boost. Okay, I had to come inside because it's way too hot out there. Overall, I really think that I like the OLLE Garden bed. It was pretty easy to put together. Like I said, it helps if you have a second set of hands, and it helps if you have a drill gun, but you don't need those things. You can do it yourself.
And I like that you can like, you know, make it different sizes. If that didn't fit in there, or if we had a little bit more space, we could have made it a little longer, but then it would have been a little bit more narrow, which is fine. Or you can make it a square. It's cool that there's a lot of different ways you can build it. And I'm gonna leave a link to the one that we have below in the description box. Let me know if you have any questions, and let me know if you end up getting one, and then share a picture with me on Instagram if you do. And that's about it, guys. Nice little garden video. All right, guys, if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Oh, wait, I wanted to show you. This is the plant and turf booster that we used in the garden just now, but I'll also link that below. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Bye.